Need a special dessert for your summer picnic? Let's make mini apple pies. No baking required. Here's what you need: dates, shredded coconut, almond butter, apples, cinnamon, salt, and a pinch of nutmeg. The dates, along with the coconut flakes and almond butter, will help this no-bake crust stick together. We'll take the remaining dates, the cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg, and blend them into a syrup and pour over the apples. Allow these cool, fun, and fruity treats to thaw for 10 minutes before serving. For this recipe and more, visit our website at sunflowershop.com and come see us at the shop.